Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with no makeup on because I have been trying Amazon's best rated product, and that is none other than Indian Healing Clay. And this is the product. If you guys shop from Amazon's beauty section, you must have seen this product. So this is Aztec Secrets Indian Healing Clay, world's most powerful facial. So this is a product, and this is deep pore cleansing. This is 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. This is a unisex product, so both men and women can use it. Even teenage में बच्चों के बहुत ज़्यादा एक्ने होते हैं, skin their skin go through a lot of changes, so I think it will be really good for that also. So I'll be asking my son also to use it, and he might just love it because he's going through quite a bit of acne issues, so I think this will be really good for him also. And the way you use this product is also a little bit differently, that you have to make the paste. You can make the paste with water, or you can make the paste with apple cider vinegar. I have their apple cider vinegar too. This is Indian Healing vinegar, Aztec Secret का ही है. So you can mix it with apple cider vinegar, and I would say that when you mix it with apple cider vinegar, then you get the best results. And also a lot of information is there how to use it, and all. You can get all the information here, and you actually feel your face pulsating, and it just gives you so nice skin. You guys can see I'm just loving my skin. It definitely gives you that feel ki just got your facial done. The skin is so soft and smooth and बिल्कुल clean हो जाता है face. The way you want कि अच्छा सा face हो, so you don't need makeup at all. That's the glow, that's the clean face that you get after you use this. You have to remember not to use any metal objects while you're making this. And I'm just loving the way my skin feels so smooth and so texture is different, so that is what I'm really loving. So this will last you for a long time. I would suggest, if you are buying, if you have a sister of your, or if you have a friend, then you should actually buy just one and share among both of you, because it is a lot of product. So it's all full, and you don't need a lot of product. Like in one time, I think you use 1 teaspoon maybe, and you have to be really careful that when you use it, not to waste the product, because it's so good. You really don't want to waste the product. So what I'll be doing, I'll be sharing it with my son, so because it will take a really long time to use the product if only one person uses this. And this is to be used once a week. I would suggest ki if you have normal skin, then just use it once a week, because this is a clay based mask, so it might just give you very dry skin. But right now I don't feel any dryness on my face. All you have to remember is just read the instructions properly. With this, I got another one, which is Aztec Secrets only, if I am pronouncing it right. This is Moroccan Rasoul Clay Active Living Skin and Hair Care. So this is how it is. Always, whenever you use these masks, read the instructions carefully, because these are, I feel, very active ingredients are there in this mask. So in this mask also, it is not only a facial mask, it can also be used on body wraps, or if you have insect bite, or foot soak, so it can be used on that also. And I would say I love this mask because it is no chemical face mask. I don't like chemically stuff on my face anyway, and also anybody can use it. There's no age limit that you have to be 18 or you have to be like within a certain age limit, and both men and women can use it. So I think it will be really good for men because they go out more, and then they don't take care of their skin as much as we do. So this mask is good for pigmentation, and even for anti-aging के लिए बहुत अच्छा काम करता है. And if somebody has black heads, white heads, उन सब चीज़ों पे भी बहुत काम करता है, and then it gives you the glow on your face. So that is why I am just loving this mask. So why not to use this mask, which is best rated on Amazon, and there are two, so I like both of them. मैंने दोनों ही use करे हैं. If I have to choose, then I might choose this one. But both of them are really good. If you want to really try this one, you can try this. And if you want, you can use this जो Asterix Secret का इनका खुद का जो apple cider vinegar है, or if you have any apple cider vinegar at home, you can use that also. And for the people who have acne, you might want to add 1 or 2 drop of tea tree oil. And also the people who have really dry skin, they can try adding argan oil. But the 2 time or 3 times I have used these masks, I haven't added anything, because as soon as I put my moisturizer on, everything becomes okay. Then I don't feel that it is that drying. It does give you that redness on your face, at least for like 20 minutes. It stays, and then after that it just goes away and gives you smooth feeling, smooth skin and glowy skin. So I'm just loving this mask, and if you want to really try a mask, I think you all should try this, because this is really good for all the skin types. As this is what I think, because my skin is combination type, and I'm just loving this mask. So that's all for this video, guys. Do try this mask. Bye.